Good morning, ladies. Good morning. How are we doing today? Full of energy. Look at you. Look at you. Hi, Aria. Hi, Charlotte. You guys playing together? Yeah, you playing together? Hi! Can anybody give me a smile? Can anybody give me a smile? Ooh. Ooh, you talking, Charlotte? Ooh. Mesmerized by the camera, huh? Yeah. Proceed with what you were doing. That was fun. You can dance, say hi. Go ahead, don't mind me. Sticking a camera in your face. Don't mind me. Charlotte, I think you are catching up to your sister. You're almost as big as her. Huh? Almost? Maybe? Getting there? Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. Look at those. We got some over here too. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those cheeks. Hey, girls. Hi. You guys following my hand all around? Look at that. Hi. You guys shy? You don't want to smile today? How are you? Hey, sweetheart. Oh, you have a froggy in your throat. How about you? How you feeling, Charlotte? Ooh, big eyes. You guys are all eyes. Look at that. I think you two are getting closer together. Alright, I better separate you two.